Open up your MTT. We're going to do a quiz review on 4.1 to 4.3. Write the slope-intercept equation for 4.7 with a slope of -2. So we're going to write y equals mx plus b as our formula. M equals b equals. They give us a slope of -2. We're going to now need to find b. So we're going to use the ordered pair 4.7 and the slope of -2. So we're going to do y is equal to mx plus b. We're going to put the 7 in for the y. We're going to put the -2 in for the slope, and then we're going to put the 4 in for the x. So we have 7 is equal to -8 plus b. Do symmetrical and commutative property of addition. So we have b plus -8 is equal to 7. 0 pair out the 8. So b is equal to 15. So our equation is going to be y is equal to -2x plus 15. Write the slope-intercept equation for the line passing through these two ordered pairs. So we're going to do y is equal to mx plus b. M equals b equals. We're going to need to find our slopes. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. M is equal to 5 minus 0 over 4 minus 5. Add a line, change the sign. So m is equal to 5 over -1. Hampton rule says the negative is going to be on the top, so it's going to be -5 over 1 is going to be our slope. Now we need to find our b. So we're going to do our ordered pair 5, 0, and we're going to do m is equal to -5. So y equals mx plus b. 0 goes in for y. -5 goes in for the slope, and 5 goes in for the x. So it's going to be 0 is equal to -25 plus b. b plus -25 is equal to 0. We did symmetrical and commutative property of addition all in one step. We 0 pair out the 25, so b is equal to 25. So our b is 25, so our equation then is going to be y is equal to -5x plus 25. Now we're going to take a point slope form equation and write it into standard form. The easiest way to do this is to get our ordered pair. So our y is going to be 4, and our x is going to be 6, and our slope is going to be 1/2. So we're going to do y is equal to mx plus b, and we need to find b. So we're going to go ahead and put 4 is equal to 1/2 times 6 plus b. 4 is equal to 3 plus b. So b plus 3 is equal to 4. 0 pair out the 3, so b is going to be equal to 1. So our equation is going to be y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1. Now, this is in slope-intercept form, and we need to go to standard form. So we're going to go ahead and do symmetrical. So 1/2 x plus 1 is equal to y. We're going to go ahead and multiply everything by 2 to get rid of that fraction. So this is going to be x plus 2 is equal to 2y. Then we're going to 0 pair out the 2. So now this is going to be x is equal to 2y minus 2. Now we're going to 0 pair out our 2y. So it's going to be x minus 2y is equal to -2. And that is in standard form. Okay, we're going to do another one. Now in this case, because we have the plus, we know that the y had to have been a -3. And because we have a plus, we know the x had to have been a -1. And our slope is -2. So we're going to do y is equal to mx plus b. We're going to go ahead and plug in our negative 3 is equal to negative 2 times negative 1 plus b. So negative 3 is equal to 2 plus b. b plus 2 is equal to negative 3. We're going to zero pair out the 2, so b is equal to negative 5. So we have y is equal to mx plus b. M equals negative 2, and b equals negative 5. So our equation is y is equal to negative 2x minus 5. That is in slope-intercept form. So now what we're going to do is we're going to zero pair out our 2x. So now we have 2x plus y is equal to negative 5, and that is our standard form. Okay, so we have, now this one is in point-slope form, and we're going to go to slope-intercept form. So because of the plus, we know this is a negative 1. Because of a plus, we know this is a negative 3. And our slope is negative 2. So y equals mx plus b. And m equals negative 2, but we need to find out what our b equals. So we're going to do y equals mx plus b. We're going to go ahead and plug in the negative 1 is equal to negative 2 times negative 3 plus b. Negative 1 is equal to 6 plus b. b plus 6 is equal to negative 1. We're going to zero pair out our 6. So we're going to b is equal to negative 7. So our equation then is going to be y is equal to negative 2x minus 7. And that is going to be in slope-intercept form. Now, here we have our y equals mx plus b, and we're looking for our per number, and we're looking for our one-time fee. The cell phone plan, take out that E, cell phone plan is $30 to begin and 10 cents a minute. Write the equation. So the $30 is our one-time fee, and 10 cents per minute is going to be our slope. So our slope represents the 10 cents per minute. Make sure you use the word per in describing it. And the y-intercept is our $30 one-time fee. All right, we're going to do y equals mx plus b. Electrician fee is $100 and $30 per hour. Write the equation to show the total cost. So again, our $100 is our one-time fee, and our $30 per hour is our slope. So what does the slope represent? It represents the $30 per hour, and the y-intercept represents the $100 one-time charge. So a reminder that our slope is always our per number. So think of Domino, and he'll help you with your math. And that the B is always the one-time charge. And now you've reviewed for the quiz.